IWave-M from Nu-Calgon. It fits right into your mini split heat pump, and what it does is it cleans up the air for you. It prevents dirty sock syndrome, reduces static electricity, kills bacteria and viruses such as E. coli, staph, MRSA, tuberculosis. It kills airborne mold, reduces smoke, controls allergies, reduces air particles, reduces VOCs, keeps the coil cleaner. It's very simple. Comes in a little box. Has an 18-inch strip with self-adhesive. So you would take the cover off the heat pump, expose the coil. Peel the self-adhesive back and stick on the top of the unit. This little device has a self-adhesive also. You would peel this back and stick this in, also on the side of the unit. Comes with 3 wires, very simple. If you're wiring it as you're using 110, you would use the black and the white wire. If you were if the application was 220, you would use the red and the white wire and cap the wire that's unused. Once you have that all in and turn the power back on, green light will come on, you're good to go. Put the unit back together. It's done.